Protecting our planet, it's a team routine. Planting new trees, watching them grow. In harmony with nature, our love will show.